Hey guys, welcome back to Spit Finance. We will be continuing where we left off last week. Passive income. Let's start with renting out your car. Got a car that you don't drive all the time? You should probably rent it out. Like renting a property, this will require some maintenance and work, but you can earn some good money. If you want to rent out your car while you are on holiday or while you are not using it, check out websites like Turo and Getaround. These websites let you rent your car Airbnb style. With Turo, you're protected with $1 million in liability insurance, and your car is covered against theft and physical damage. Your vehicle has to be from 2005 or newer, have a clean title, and have less than 130,000 miles on it. Getaround has similar requirements. Every trip includes $1 million in insurance and 24/7 roadside assistance. Plus, it installs a device that lets people get into your car without the key. Getaround says the average car owner makes $1,000 per year. Not bad for very little effort. Number 2. Rent your parking space. If you have a free parking space, driveway, or empty garage, you can easily turn that into money. You could list the space yourself on Craigslist or reduce the hassle and use something like Stowit. Stowit connects individuals and businesses with extra space for others that need vehicle storage. It will also process all payments and ensure you get paid on time. Plus, listing your space is free and you keep 95% of your earnings. Other websites you can look into, depending on where you live. If you live in a major metropolitan area, you will be surprised by how much you can make for your spot. Number 3. Rent storage space. If you have some extra space and are happy for people to store their stuff there, you could simply rent it out without much hassle. Much easier than letting your spare room on Airbnb and dealing with potential guests daily. By renting out your space as storage, you could earn some easy money by actually doing very little. I suggest you use a peer-to-peer storage rental platform to find verified users. Websites like Neighbor, Stashy, and Coststock will charge you a small fee but will vet users, help collect payments, and ensure your space. Number 4. Rent your bike, sports equipment, or anything else you can think of. Did you know you could earn cash with that bike you rarely ride or sports equipment you only use once or twice a year? Websites like Fat Llama, Friendswitha, and Spinlister let you make money by renting out all sorts of equipment, from bikes to cameras, tools, generators, paint sprayers, speakers, and more. You can list all your equipment for free on both websites. Spinlister will only take bikes, snowboards, skis, and surfboards, while Friendswitha has more options. Plus, you can insure your items against damage or theft. All you have to do is pay a low fee, from 6% to 17.5% when you rent out your equipment. Number 5. Rent your clothes. You probably know that you can make money selling clothes. But did you know you can also make money renting them? If you have some nice clothes in your wardrobe, or bags, shoes, and accessories you rarely use, you could make money by renting them out. While you can rent pretty much anything, designer brands like Alice and Oliva, Eliza J, or Chanel rent much easily, while renting fast fashion like Forever 21, H&M won't make you much money. Websites and apps to check if you want to rent your clothes. Styleland and Rent My Wardrobe. These websites give you the option to insure your items if they get damaged or lost, but always check the fine print before you lend. Get paid for things you already do. Number 6. Get paid to shop. We all spend money shopping no matter how frugal we are. How about getting money back on everything you buy? Using cashback apps and websites isn't going to cost you anything other than a bit of time, and you can get anything from 2 to 10% back on your money. If you spend $1,000 in a month, you could get $100 back. That's a lot. The best cashback apps? Swagbucks. This app has over 1,500 shops to pick from, including places you already shop from, like Starbucks, Amazon, and Target. You just need to select the shop you need, click on it, and earn cash back. You can then use the points you make to buy gift cards from places like Amazon or get paid via PayPal. Rakuten. This website gives you cash back when you shop online. You just need to go to the website, download the app, select the store you need to shop from, and earn money. You'll get a free $10 bonus when you sign up, and you'll be able to see how much cash back you can make on each store when you select it. Ibotta. You need to take a picture of your grocery receipts with your phone and upload them to the app. You'll receive between 25 cents to a few dollars per receipt as cashback for buying certain products. It's so easy. I can't believe they actually give you cash for that. Plus, you'll get a free $10 bonus when you sign up. Number 7. Credit card rewards. Credit card rewards work a bit like cashback apps. Choosing credit cards with a reward program can get you $1 to $2 back on every $100 you spend. It's a great way to maximize what you can earn on your spending. But before you run away to open several credit cards, remember that credit card rewards are only valuable if you pay off your cards in full every month. There is no point in earning a 2% cashback if you pay 15% interest. Remember, paying off your debt and becoming debt-free should always be your priority. Don't open too many credit cards at once to avoid your credit score dropping. Choose a credit card that has a reward program you'll use. If you love to travel, you can pick a credit card that will reward you with frequent flyer miles, or if you eat out often, you can choose a credit card that gives you high cashback at restaurants. Don't let points and rewards go to waste. Create an online business. If you don't have savings and don't own many things, you can still generate residual income by creating an online business. This usually requires more time upfront, making it a bit less passive than other ideas. But if you stick with it for long enough, you'll be able to reap the benefits and generate real passive income streams. Number 8. Start your own online store. To be completely honest, having an e-commerce store isn't the most passive way to earn money. I included e-commerce in this list because if you set up your supply chain in a clever way, you could create a business that can make thousands of dollars a month with little effort to maintain it. There are several business models for an e-commerce website. Sell your own physical product. This is a lot of work and requires some capital to invest, but you could create something unique with a high profit margin. Dropshipping. You will not have to own stock. When someone purchases a product from your online store, the manufacturer will ship it directly to the customer. It's great as you don't have to handle deliveries and returns, but you don't have much control over quality and customer experience. Sell other people's products. You get to sell many different products from the start, but it's hard to differentiate yourself and make a profit in a competitive market. If creating an online business intrigues you, check out Shopify. Shopify is by far the best e-commerce platform out there. They have beautiful templates that will make designing your site a breeze. They also have many tools and add-ons to help you process payments, handle deliveries and returns, set up promotions, and more. Number 9. Start a blog. Really? Yes, really. Blogging isn't 100% passive and requires a lot of hard work in the setup phase. Believe me, I did it. It took me 3 months before I launched to generate enough good content. And don't trust anyone who tells you that you can create a money-making blog in a week. But I found out that if you put in the hard work and are clever about what you write, you can quickly generate traffic, and traffic equals money. There are so many ways to make money blogging, some more passive than others. You can simply add advertising to your blog, or you can generate money using affiliate marketing, selling your own products, or creating partnerships with brands. I managed to get over 180,000 page views and earn over $3,800 after only 3 months. In the article, you can find out exactly how I did it. And if I did it, you can do it too. Number 10. Buy a blog. If starting a blog feels like too much work, how about purchasing a blog that is already making money? You can simply learn how to maintain it, but all the legwork will be done for you. The main advantage of buying a blog is saving time. Starting a blog and building an audience takes a lot of time and effort. By buying an already established blog, you can take a shortcut, as the design, the look, and social media accounts will be already set up. You will also be able to verify if that particular niche is profitable before you buy without the risk of spending months on an idea that won't get you anywhere. All this, of course, comes at a bigger cost than starting from scratch, but it could save you months and months of hard work. Websites like Empire Flippers let you choose between thousands of blogs and online businesses for sale. You can inquire about current earnings and profit and get an idea of the work involved before you buy. It's worth considering if you want to explore the idea of having a blog that generates money from day one. Number 11. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is my favorite way to produce passive income on gathering dreams. It makes up over 60% of my revenues. The idea is that you will research a potential niche that can be profitable, use SEO techniques and advertising to drive traffic to your website, and earn money by getting a commission for recommending products or services. Building a large audience takes time and effort, but you will earn a good income with very little work once you have created the right platform, and that's why I love it. Number 12. Write an ebook. Self-publishing is great. You write a book, hit publish, and then collect royalties for years to come. If you love writing content, you won't find it hard to write an 80 to 100 page ebook on the things you love. Make sure you pick a profitable topic and market your book through bloggers and influencers in that niche. Non-fiction ebooks that educate your potential audience on specific topics like finance, online marketing, and business will make you more money than fiction books. Of course, there are always exceptions, and you could write the next Harry Potter book. But if you want to create some residual income quickly, I suggest you go for what sells first. Using the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing platform is an easy way to get your ebook on Amazon as quickly as possible and start making some money. Number 13. Make money publishing blank books. We talked about self-publishing just before, but let's be honest, writing a book is no easy feat, especially if you're not a professional writer. What if I told you that you could publish books without writing and still make money? Yep. Have you ever heard of low-content self-publishing? With low-content publishing, you will be creating books that are made with mostly blank internal pages. Think about diaries, planners, journals, notebooks, and sketchbooks. With these types of books, as long as you have a good eye for design and pick a profitable niche with good demand, you won't have to write 50,000 words that possibly no one will read. Once you create a great book layout, you can simply keep it as a digital file. Use Amazon's print-on-demand service, hold no physical inventory, and collect passive royalties whenever a book sells. What's not to like? Number 14. Teach your expertise. Teaching your skills by creating an online course has the potential to become a fantastic way to earn passive income. There are plenty of people that make a living by selling online courses. You can create videos, ebooks, checklists, and audio files to supplement your lessons and share your passion with others. Creating different courses at different prices can help you to maximize your chances of selling them. The best online websites that make it easy for you to sell your skills and create online courses are Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare. If you are seriously interested in generating passive income by starting an online course, a great place to start is the Teachable free webinar. Teachable offers free live training to help you launch your online course in no time. Number 15. Flip domains for profit. This is the idea. You purchase domain names for cheap that can be valuable to companies in the future, and then you resell them for a profit. Some people made millions by purchasing the right domain name, although most of their success is due to luck. You need to do your own research and make sure you pick keywords that can make you money. A great place to start is to select a specific niche. Narrow your focus and find out what domain names could sell well in that niche. If you want to try it out, make sure you don't spend much money on a domain. Don't invest more than $10 to $100 to start with. And remember, the money is in your sale abilities, not necessarily in the name. There's only one domain name, and if someone wants it and you own it, your negotiation skills will make the difference between a small and a big profit. Number 16. Set up your YouTube channel. I won't lie, it's not easy to make money from a YouTube channel. You will need to create quite a lot of video content before you can earn a significant amount of money. But if you pick the right niche and manage to create great and valuable content, you will get organic traffic from YouTube and Google. You can make money by displaying ads on your channel and will get paid every time someone watches your videos. On the plus side, great quality video content is relatively scarce compared to text-based content. Also, people prefer watching 5-minute video recipe to reading a long set of instructions. Right now, the market is less competitive. If you have great video and editing skills, you should give it a try. Number 17. License your photos. If you have a great eye for the perfect shot and friends keep telling you how beautiful your photos are, you can select the best pictures from your hard drive and make money by selling them online. You don't have to be a professional to sell photos. You still have the opportunity to earn some money, even if you are a novice. Most websites pay you based on the number of downloads. You get paid a percentage every time someone downloads one of your pictures. So once the pictures are uploaded, you will earn passive income every time someone buys them. Best websites to sell your photos online are Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock. Number 18. License your music. I am probably the last person in the world that will make money passively with music. The last time I tried to learn the piano, I was 13, and let's just say Beethoven wouldn't be impressed. But if you love composing your own music, you can make thousands of dollars by licensing it to be used on many platforms, from YouTube videos computer games, and movie trailers to TV adverts or corporate promotional videos. By creating stock music, you can earn royalties, a bit like with photos, every time someone downloads and uses your music for their productions. Some great places to start selling your music are Premium Beat and Epidemic Sound. Number 19. Develop an app. Building an app can cost quite a bit of money unless you are a developer yourself. But if you can get together with people with the right skills and come up with a clever idea, you'll be able to generate a nice little income every time someone downloads your app. The best way to develop an app successfully is to look for gaps in the market and apps that will help people solve a problem. You can also look for apps that have been downloaded many times but have a terrible interface or poor user experience. If you think you can do something better, give it a shot. Number 20. Sell printables on autopilot. If you love design and have an artistic soul, selling digital products on Etsy could be a great way to earn passive income. Digital products require little maintenance. Your customers will simply receive a link to download them, which means you don't have to worry about shipping and returns handling. All you need to do is spend time upfront to create beautiful artwork. Easy, right? Some examples of the most popular printables include greeting cards, wall art, organizer, decorations, and invitations. Are you a great cook? You can sell meal plans and recipe cards. Are you a fanatic organizer? You can select beautiful planners or calendars. These are just a few examples. There is no limit to your imagination. You can simply use your knowledge and expertise to make beautiful products. As long as your printables are appealing to your target audience and of high quality, they will sell. Thanks for watching till the end, guys. I hope this video helps you guys achieve passive income.